Good day, students. Today we're going to look at a solution to a word problem that involves percentage increases and decreases. It's letter H, so it's exercise H on page 91 of chapter 5 of book 2 of your Math 1025 booklets. And let's read the problem and see what we got to do. So it says solve each word problem, round each answer to one decimal place. So our answer must be one decimal place. And the problem reads, in 2008, a certain book sold for 80 reals. In 2011, the same book sold for 65 reals. By what percent had the cost of the book decreased in value? What is the percentage decrease? Now, percentage increase, percentage decrease, very same thing. One is going down in value, the other one is going up in value. If it's a percentage decrease, right, we treat it the same way. We get the change in value, right? How much has the value changed? So the change in value divided by the original value. Now, that's one of the ways it's stated in some textbooks, right? So you get the change in value. Change in means get the difference. So you would subtract to get the top step and divide by the original. Whether it's increase or decrease, same thing. It's the change in value. So you're always subtracting the two here on top and then divide by the original value. If it's decreasing, okay, then the amount is going down in value. If it's increasing, the amount is going up in value. And we can see this is a decrease one. Why? We're going from 80 reals in 2008, right? 2008, the book is worth 80 reals. And if we look at 2011, the book drops in value. So we actually have a decrease, right? So that makes sense, asking us for a decrease, right? Percentage. Now, the formula, there is a formula in your book as well. You don't have to use the one I just stated there. And the formula in the book I just brought in there, it's right, original amount minus the new amount divided by the original amount. Now, you have to decide which one is the original amount. Well, the original amount is the earlier year. So the original amount is 80. Okay, so it's going to be 80 subtract the new amount, so it's gone down in value, so that makes sense, right? Divided by the original amount. And the original amount is 80. Okay? So the difference is what I call it, or the change. The change in price is 20 reals, isn't it? Right? So that's sometimes books refer to it as a change in value as the numerator. So it's 20 over 80. Right? So it's always subtract the 2. Now with percent increase, right, then you're still subtracting, okay, on top, same formula. So there's no difference in the formulas. Now this, of course, if we do 20 divided by 80, and if we're using our calculators at this stage, we get 20 divided by 80, which is 0.25. But remember, this is asking you for percent decrease. And how do you change a decimal to a percent? I'm sure you know that, which you simply multiply by 100. So the final answer here is 25% decrease in the value of the book. So there's a complete answer. And a word problem, usually we give a word answer. So write a statement at the end. There has been a 25% decrease in the value of the book. Okay? So pretty straightforward. Just remember to subtract to get the numerator and divide by the original amount. And original would go by the earlier year, so 80 would have to be the original amount. Hopefully that helps. That's it for now.